Alright, hell yeah, if you want to see unlisted content right up here, you can click and watch my stand-up comedy acts. Alright, so we got mental math, and this is part 2. What we did is we did mental math to figure out that this is going to be 0.8 and this is going to be 0.6. But now we need to multiply that by 1.5, and I think that's kind of tricky in my head. But what I like to do, and we're going to show, is pretend that you're at a restaurant. You know what I mean? And this is a bummer because we're going to do it 2 ways. Let's do it the harder way. So if I paid $1.50 for something, I don't know what an 80% tip would be. But I do know what a 10% tip. On $1.50, I'm going to give 15 cents. Okay, hell yeah. And so I need to multiply that 15 cents by 8. And I don't know what 15 cents times 8 is, but I do know what 15 cents times 2 is. Okay, that's 30 cents. Okay, hell yeah. Now I can just multiply 30 by the other 4. You know what I mean? So that's going to be $1. That's going to be, holy hell, am I getting this right? Yeah, it's going to be $1.20. Holy Toledo. So if you bought something for $1.50 and gave an 80% tip, that'd be $1.20. Okay, so hell yeah. But that's exactly what this problem is doing. This one, you paid $1.50, you're going to give a 60% tip. Don't know what 60% is, do know what 10%. That's going to be 15 cents. I don't know what 15 cents times 6 is, you know what I mean, honestly. But I do know what 15 cents times 2 is. That's going to be 30 cents. And then multiply by 3, it's 90 cents. Okay, so hell yeah. So this one is going to be 0.9, and this one is going to be 1.2. Okay, so hell yeah. And then the other way you could do it is just like, well, work in bigger dollars. So if I had a bill of $15 and I'm going to give a 10% tip, that's $1.50, and now multiply by 8 to get that 80% tip. Okay, so $1.50, still don't know what $1.50 times 8 is. But I do know what it times 2 is, and that's going to be $3. So 3 times 4 is $12. So if I had a $15 bill, and I really wanted to give them a huge 80% tip, give them $12. You know what I mean? Sweet. And but that's not going to be the answer to this problem. We already increased this number by a factor of 10. So when we get our answer of $12 tip, we got to back that off by a factor of 10. So our answer for this is again 1.2. Same thing here. $15, 10% tip, $1.50 multiplied by 2 is 3. Multiplied by is $3. Multiplied by another 3 to get up to 60% tip, that's going to be $9. Back it off by a factor of 10, and this one's going to be 0.9. So just kind of a couple different ways to do mental math. I don't know, you know what I mean? I definitely do it, so thanks for joining me on this one, and guess what? That's a video.